Mill Test Certificate, Purpose and Issuing Agencies. 1. What is a mill test certificate? A mill test certificate is an official document that certifies the chemical and mechanical properties of a metal product, such as steel plates, pipes, or bars. It is issued by the manufacturer to confirm that the material meets the required specifications and standards. 2. Purpose of the MTC. The mill test certificate serves several key purposes. Material verification ensures that the supplied material meets the ordered specifications. Quality assurance confirms compliance with industry standards and project requirements. Traceability provides a documented history of the material's production, including its chemical composition and mechanical properties. Regulatory compliance helps manufacturers, engineers, and inspectors confirm that materials conform to safety and performance standards. 3. What information is included in a mill test certificate? A typical mill test certificate includes material grade and specification example, ASTM and DIN JIS. Heat number used for traceability, chemical composition percent of elements like CC, MN, PS, etc. Mechanical properties tensile strength, yield strength, elongation, hardness, etc. Manufacturing process hot rolled, cold drawn, forged, etc. Approval stamps and signatures from quality control personnel. 4. Who issues the mill test certificate? The manufacturer or mill that produces the metal issues the MTC. However, third-party inspection agencies may also verify and certify the document for compliance. Some key agencies involved include steel mills and foundries, example, ArcelorMittal, POSCO, Tata Steel. Classification societies for marine and offshore applications, Lloyd's Register, Bureau Veritas. Det Norske Veritas, American Bureau of Shipping. Standardization and certification bodies, ASTM International. ISO International Organization for Standardization. ASME American Society of Mechanical Engineers.